Here is the small and middle factory for the cable manufacturing and some tips. This is materials in the store in some finish cables, and this is another type for the cables is going to do the next steps and putting right here, and this is the raw materials is going to do the next steps. And this is the insulation and the materials with PVC for this machine, and this is another material for this part of the machines. And this is the finished cables interesting and ready for the next steps. And this is for the cutting machine for suitable lengths. And this one is for the cable coating, and this is for some materials. We can see that there's 4 contents of the branching machine for the copper wire and CCA wire, temporary wires, bunching. And this is for the shooting, screaming, and braiding machine. 3 contents. You can see. This is the braiding machines with mylar, and this is the materials preparing and going to the braiding. This is the another warehouse for the finish cables. This is bunching. And this is the cantilever twist machine for the multi-corns twisting and screaming. This is the cage stranding machine, but it's much more short and low speed. This is some other materials for the rope. You can see it. You can see this is a 2,000 square meters factory for the machines bunching, insulation, twisting, and jacketing, and raw materials in copper, CC, and also for the PVC materials, etc. If you're going to build a factory like this one, welcome to contact us. We can show you how to design it and give you the solution and make your business easier. This is Joe.